Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I show how to lock apps inside Windows 11 or 10, 32 or 64-bit. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop, head over to Google and type in osoft. And then on the first result here from osoft.net, click into that, Power PC Tools. This will bring you to their website, and what you need to do is click on secret folder and then click on download. This will bring you to the download section of secret folder, and then scroll down. Be sure not to click on any of these ads, these are just ads. Click on exe osoft download, and then from here secret folder, 100% free hide folders for home and office. So click on download. As you can see, it's downloaded here, 3.2 megabytes. So click into that. Now what you want to do is run this. Click on yes, secret folder setup. Click on English, okay. Click on I accept the agreement. Right, now this has been installed. Here we go, the indexing service has been disabled. This is because secret folder does not work properly when indexing service is enabled. So click on OK. And then from here you need to put in a password that you can remember. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then a recovery email address just in case you forget that password. So I want to pause the video and get back to you. Alright, all the credentials are there, so I want to click on OK. Give it a few moments to load. Alright, now from here, how to lock an app, simply click on add, left hand corner of secret folder, and then find that app that you want to lock or folder. So I'm going to choose this PC. I'm going to go to program files 86. So for this demonstration, if I want to hide battle.net, click on that and then click on OK. So as you can see, that's locked now, battle.net. So if I go and click on battle.net, double click onto it, it won't work. There you go there. Missing shortcut. Windows is searching for battle.net launcher.exe. So I can't find it because this app has hidden it. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So alternately, if you go to search and type in battle.net, if I click into that, it won't let me click into it. Clicking it pretty fast and it won't let me click into that app. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. How to lock apps in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.